This is my leather chair, which I think I got from Staples or Office Depot about 5 years ago. Here's one that I bought 2-3 years ago. Still pretty in decent condition. Probably because I don't use that much. Over here it's still okay, but it's kind of losing itself over here on the sides. This one's okay, but the sides, but you can see this 5-year-old one. So your mileage may vary when you buy these leather seats. They're all bonded leather, so eventually they tear up over time. This seat saw daily usage, a few hours a day, whereas this one an hour or two. So I wish I remember which model number this is. I just bought some more leather chairs. I wonder if it will last over a year or two, but finding a real good leather chair is very expensive. And so this one here cost me $50. I can live with that. $50 for 2 years, $25 a year, and then replacing it after 2 years. So one way to waste money is obviously buying expensive chairs and then they go to waste. I remember this chair was over $100, so it's kind of painful. I don't know how I'm going to fix this. I think they have covers for the armrests, so maybe I'll order an arm cover for a few dollars, like $10. They also have covers for office chairs too, which I'm going to try to look for so I can give this chair some new life, but the cushion itself is all dead. So I think I'm going to look into some memory foam alternative to fix this. Those are my kids in the background being really loud. I yell at them now, but that wouldn't be too cool. Can you guys be please quiet? So my road to financial independence is recycling these old chairs so they can last a bit longer. But for $50, it's pretty cheap. It's debatable. Buy a new chair or fix a new old chair for $20, $25. I don't know. It's nice to have something new.